What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It's a little hot out here, so let's cut on some air. Well, we are back. Got a motor in the car, so it looks like we're gonna be back on track. This isn't a 402, it's just a rod piston 6.0. It is not my motor, it is Dakota's. So we are going to be finishing it up today. I've already got it crunk, I've already got it bled, and over the past few weeks I've been doing things here and there. So let's take a look. So as y'all can tell, got the motor in. We actually ended up reluming the Holley harness. Oh, zoomed in. So we ended up reluming the Holley harness, reluming everything that caught on fire. So we got that done. And I don't know if y'all will be able to see it, but probably not. Anyways, I ended up redoing the relay board. Couldn't end up using the one that I made a few videos ago. So I ended up having to bolt everything down and redo the wiring on the other one. So we reused that one. We also ended up putting a disconnect on the back. It's not hooked up yet. Still gotta do that. I believe I gotta get some lugs for the wiring. So. But on another note, we got us a nice little package here today. Let's see what it is. Ah, yes, a catch can finally. Dadgummit. All right, it's not one to come out. So we ended up getting a catch can from Amazon. It's a dual breather, 2-port. So we're going to be mounting a catch can somewhere, don't know yet. I would try to mount it back there on the firewall, but I just believe it's going to be too hard to drill and put some rib nuts in. So I'm going to pause the video here. I'm going to find a area where I can mount this. Hopefully this works. Right now, when we blew the motor up, it was vent to atmosphere, and we believe it's a crankcase issue, but it ended up spinning a rod bearing for y'all don't know. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find a spot to mount this and go from there. Woo! Done got hot already up in here. It's so early in the morning. All right. So yeah, we got the catch can installed. Let me show y'all. All right. So we ended up putting it right there on the firewall. I gotta make some lines that are gonna go from the valve covers to the catch can. I actually rib nutted it in there. There's no self tappers in this. So yeah, I am going to get. It is a 10 a.m. bung, so I'm gonna get some 10 a.m.s and run the hose, get them fixed up, and I'll show y'all. There's many videos online how to do AN lines, so I'm running behind as it is. So if you ain't got an AC box, you can mount your catch can there. There's I think RSM, Rock Solid Motorsports, makes a actual catch can that sits right there. So can't remember. I think that's who makes it. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get some 10 AN lines and get this fabbed up and get it crunk up. All right, guys. I got the catch can installed, as you can tell. Got it mounted on the firewall. I got the AM lines run. Got it back there. Yep. So now all I gotta do is I gotta put on the front bumper. I gotta hurry up and do that because I'm running stupid late. I gotta get something over there at Dakota's house. So I'm going to go ahead and start on that. Get the bumper put on. As you can tell, I got that. Put it back inside the car. and plug up a few things. So let's get started. I'll end the video here shortly. I gotta put the brake line back in too, do the brake booster. But yep, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get that done, and I'll check back in with y'all. So we got the car loaded up. Yeah, I think we're done for today. I think that's gonna wrap for the video. We got a new motor, everything's put back together, and we're going racing this weekend. So yeah, it's just riding piston 6.0. We're gonna throw some boost at it. May not have to leave on, we'll be able to leave on a lot more and not be so torquey. We're going over to Cottonwood Dragway, Dothan, Alabama, backside no prep. So that's where we're gonna be going. There's a few more popping up in the area. I think I want to try to make it. We'll see. I'm gonna go take this thing over to Dakota, let him put his fingers to it this week, and me and him are gonna go racing this weekend. So if y'all stuck around, if you're subscribing, thank y'all very much. We turned around pretty quick on this, guys. Thank you, Dakota, for letting me borrow the motor. It's gonna be, the car works. It's gonna work for what's meant to be. So yeah, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Comment down below if you got any questions about the car. Sooner it gets to September, October, we're gonna probably tear it back down. I got a lot of parts in the shop, so we're gonna be putting those on. Plan on motor plating the car, a few other things. So yeah, anyways, that's gonna be a wrap for this video, and we'll catch y'all next time.